In this video, I want to talk about how you can use Taboola to make yourself rich by creating a passive income stream, a passive income Adsense Taboola stream, which allows you to either travel the world, which allows you to spend more time with your family, which allows you to quit your job potentially. And again, imagine that daily income coming in profitably. So what I've been doing is I've been showing you those two different results, one on the 31st of January, the scale CPC strategy, because I really want to teach you and show you exactly how to achieve these kind of results with your Taboola AdSense businesses. And then I've been showing you the low CPC strategy and showing you how to generate massive returns on investments on your low CPCs and to get a high revenue and a high RPU and high profit. And remember, this is passive profitable income once it's set up correctly. So now I just want to go into even more detail on how you can use Taboola to make yourself rich, which is wealthy, which is your first passive income stream. So what you want to do is, obviously, you want to make sure you find a really proven campaign. So you want to know that that campaign is profitable. And once you know that campaign is profitable, you then want to take that profitable campaign to a funnel that you know will get you the maximum return on investment. But most importantly, it has to be compliant. What I noticed with some clients is they change the funnel around, they move away from what's proven, they add their own ideas to the wrong areas, and then they run into issues. So that's where I come in to correct them, guide them through it, so that they're able to apply the funnels in the right positions. And then we're going to set up the targeting and the bidding. Now you're going to have multiple different variables. You're going to have websites, countries, devices, ads, all need to be optimized. So you need guidance on it, and then you have to make sure the ad hits a good enough CTR. As you can see here, this ad was a 0.63 CTR, which allows it to get maximum volume and clicks at the lowest CPCs, so you can generate the maximum profits back. So once you're able to have the profitable country, profitable devices, profitable IDs, once you're combining them together with a good bidding strategy so you can get traffic, you know how to increase and decrease the bids, you're then able to create profitable campaigns. Now, one of the most important parts of creating wealth or creating passive income from Taboola is going after markets that you know are profitable long term. Some markets might work a month, some markets might work a week, but the markets I go after work years. And that's one of the most important principles of this whole system: evergreen profitable campaigns. Once you're able to target evergreen profitable campaigns that are compliant and that get approved on Taboola, which is another thing you must have master and be able to do, then you're able to create wealth, passive income on Taboola with your Taboola AdSense businesses. And I know, imagine most of you logging into your account and seeing $400 passive income, $500 passive income, $1,000 passive income coming into your bank account every single month. That would be huge for you. So this is what I'm offering. Again, so for those of you who are interested in a one-on-one mentoring or the paid course, please just reach out to me via the link below. I'll be happy to help you create your own successful Taboola AdSense campaigns. And also offer a done-for-you service. We will sit down, we'll do all the work for you, create all the sites, create the campaigns, do the optimization, the full process for you, so you can have your own profitable passive income campaigns. So just imagine seeing $500, $600, $700, $1,000 per month coming into your account. And that's what this system allows. And the most important part of this whole system is it's profitable and passive income. And it has two different methods we can use. As I said, the low CPC for those of you who have less cash flow, and the high CPC. Now, the high CPC, again, this is a completely different way of setting it up, completely different strategy. But at the end of the day, we follow this strategy to create success. And I'll be able to show you and teach you for those of you who want to invest more in your Taboola AdSense businesses. So again, this is how you can use Taboola to create wealth, to create passive income. And for those of you interested in a one-on-one mentoring or the paid course, please just reach out to me via the link below, and I'll be happy to help you create your own successful Taboola AdSense campaigns. Thank you for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you.